Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do Leetcode daily challenge, not the daily challenge, but the weekly challenge. First question. So here's the question as it states the okay. Our first question states that difficulty is medium, but although it was the easy one. So let us first read this question, then about constraint, and then finally the coding part for the same. So here given a zero-index string S, repeatedly perform the following operation any number of times. Choose an index I in the string and let C be the character in the position I. We need to delete the closest occurrence of C to the left of I, if any, and closest occurrence of C to the right of I, if any. Our task is to minimize the length of the S by performing the above operation any number of times. Return the integer denoting the length of the minimized string. So basically in this question, we would be given a string where we are having duplicate characters, and in this we are required to minimize the string length such that we are able to remove all the occurrences of a particular character which are closest to its left and closest to its right. Basically, it wants to convey that we need to uh, eliminate the duplicate characters in this particular string. And then finally, there would be a string where there are just unique characters left. That is what it simply want to convey. Now here the constraint of this question is just 100 characters would be there. So basically here what we can do is we can directly use the data structure, and just by using the data structure we can directly go ahead and do this question. So see, here basically we are required to have a string which at the end have all the unique characters, and we are required to return the length of that string. So here what we can do is in that context, what sort of data structure we can use is unordered set, where it will keep only unique characters and all the duplicate one would be eradicated. So here that is what we are doing. We are just whatever characters are there, we are pushing it to this string, sorry, to this unordered set, basically inserting all of them in this unordered set. And as for the internal algorithm of the unordered set, it will just keep the unique characters, and then we are just required to return the size of that unordered set, and that would be our final answer. So now consider the time complexity and the space complexity of this question. So the time complexity of this question is order of n, because here we are running this order of n loop, and the space complexity is also order of n because of the fact we are using this unordered set. So this was all for this particular question. If you have any doubt, you could comment it down. So yeah, thank you.